ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ನಾಡಿಮಿಡಿತ.
Yeah, on behalf of BSNL Bellary Telecom, extend a very warm welcome to you all. I am Mukesh Lal.
Mukesh what?
Mukesh Lal.
Mukesh Lal.
Yeah. I am prior to that, I have been on central taxation, UPSC. And prior to that, I was working in Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, MTNL. Which is also a PSU of the Government of India, and now, of course, merged. So, before I start, thank you very much for assembling at a very short notice as we celebrate 80th Independence Day. It's a matter of pride to look back our journey as a country, where we have reached, and also we have to reflect upon our responsibilities of nation building. And as you know, the focus of the government, which aligns with the goals of the state government also, Atmanirbhar Bharat and development is a very main theme. And it gives me an immense pride to share with you, as you know, that BSNL is marching ahead with the Atmanirbhar Bharat Swadeshi technology. We have implemented Swadeshi technologies in 4G, while our competitors are using foreign technologies, which we are dependent on foreign countries, foreign vendors, and may have many security threats. Our technology is totally Swadeshi technology, mainly by TCS, Tejas. So not only mobile technology, even the back-end connectivity, the BTS, जिससे वो चलता है, that also transmits technology. Now that MAN equipment is there, MPLS technology is there, very advanced. That also indigenous is developing. So with these things, this is about the network and technology. And in regards to service providing also, as I will be sharing with you, BSNL is making its all efforts to include the local youth in getting ownership and providing the services. On this occasion, I would request you all, through you, to spread awareness about our new plans, services, which are not known. You reach to every nook and corner of Karnataka, and specifically Bellary. Aligned with the roles and mission of our government, we want to make Karnataka, especially our Bellary district, the number one in telecom services. And to you, I would like to thank our state authorities, which have extended very good cooperation to BSNL in removing the digital divide. As we have heard, as you have also heard many times, that people who are there in urban areas, they are having all the facilities, high-speed internet. So all the opportunities nowadays are through data, internet. Shopping has changed from offline to online. What it requires? Data, high-speed data. Similarly, many internet-based things are coming which requires data. Our youth who are kind of fascinated by gaming, they require low latency network. Because gaming requires low latency network. Other applications also, like video conferencing, they all require very low latency. Means cap बहुत कम होना चाहिए. तो मैं बात बोलूँ आप तक जल्दी से जल्दी पहुँचे. ये सारी की सारी चीजें बहुत जरूरी हैं, और ये जरूरी है कि सबको पहुँचे. आपके माध्यम से to you, I am requesting you to spread this message that these services are now available, and our youth in the rural areas, especially rural areas, they have got very good opportunity to be a part of this journey. not only become self-reliant, but also contributed providing, serving their community through BharatNet Ujjwala scheme. I'll be explaining that scheme shortly. But before that, I will like to share with you the special plans which have been launched by BSNL for our customers and to really, truly celebrate our freedom. And freedom, like from today only, you must have heard that the competitor prices have increased by 16%. And in some of the operators, they have reduced or unlimited calls in some of the plans also. So BSNL as the most trusted, oldest, and being a government organization, is committed for affordable and reliable services. So I would just like to go through some of the very important plans that have been released on this occasion of our 80th independence. The first plan that I would like to share is Freedom Plan 2.0. This is a mobile promotional plan. Here the SIM you will get for the customers will get for ₹1 only. And this is a promotional plan. And here basically we get unlimited voice calls, 1 GB data per day, 100 SMS per day, and the validity is 24 days. This plan is valid for our new customers, new retail customers, not for bulk, because the idea is to empower the last persons even in the villages. I would like to add here that not only this availability of SIM, our team, our Dellari team, is putting their day and night to go to the rural villages under the Digital Bharat Nidhi scheme of Government of India. We have put BTS sites in those villages also where nothing is there, no signal is there, no competitor is there. So there our team is going and doing melas and at the doorsteps of our customer. So that full plan, 2399 plan. This is also under special offer. This is an annual plan, unlimited voice calls, 2 GB data per day, 100 SMS per day. The benefit here is that you are getting 47 more days than annual plan. 365 के ऊपर आपको 47 more days मिलेगा, 412 days. अगर आप इसको if you compare this with a like similar plan in competitor, I will not name it, you will not get it less than 4,000 or 2,500. You can check it yourself.
Yes.
So
Any company-
our plans definitely you cannot beat in affordability. That is for sure. And this particular scheme is very good. 47 days extra you are getting. Okay, so this is also one of the very good plan. And the per data per GB price is very less in this one. And nowadays our everyone is of course using lot of data, so it makes sense to actually go for this one if people have that paying capacity. The next plan that I would like to share is regarding our this is from the mobile services in FTTH also, high speed broadband also. We have got two more plans which are of promotional nature. So one is that one plan we were having 1199 plan. Under now the promotional scheme, this plan is being offered for 1111 rupees, 1111 rupees. So it's a discount of 88 rupees per month. For the initial 6 months, you will get for this amount 1111 rupees. So this actual plan which was 1199. Okay. With a discount of 88 exactly for the first 6 months. Okay, and after that it will revert to the original that 1199. So it's a basically discounted promotional offer. Okay, and here what you get 200 Mbps till 5000 GB. It's a lot of data. Then after that 10 Mbps beyond that. Then special feature is that you get dual band Wi-Fi ONT. I mean 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. As you know that dual band ONT 5 gigahertz you get better speeds than the 2.4 gigahertz. Then it has got one bundled OTT platform. Offering more than 25 OTT with one connection. That's for one subscriber. And then unlimited calls to any number in India. So that is the high speed internet plan for the higher usage system. It's a very good plan.
ಸಮಗ್ರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ವಾಹಿನಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ.